Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to give you some basic tips to consider when making the structure and the composition of a playing card. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the structure. As you can see, the two faces must be the same and look equally, so that when I rotate the card and the back of the card, let me look for an example. Okay. This one. Okay. This must be symmetrical. Why? Obviously, to avoid cheating. If cards weren't symmetrical, it would be quite easy to cheat since they wouldn't be symmetrical and therefore could be distinguished easily. In other words, cards drawing should be symmetrical to avoid cheating. Since when you turn it over, it would be identical, no matter how you do it. Therefore, we shouldn't include a woman here and a man below, because it would be confusing. Is it a queen? Is it a king? So it would be confusing, okay? So look for symmetry. Apart from this, colors must also be symmetrical. For example, we cannot use red for this area, okay? And black on the opposite. Neither can be the background entirely black in the spades or red in the hearts, since although cards are upside down, color could be appreciated and thus the adversary card revealed. See? I could see the color, if it's of a field color, if it's red or black. I could see the other or the adversary cards, okay? So guys, things to bear in mind. Symmetry, color, remember the same background color for the entire deck, and the elements arrangement on the corners. It's quite important since we don't turn over the card completely, just a little bit to see its content, right? This way, by simply seeing the corner, the card's name is revealed and we can identify the card, so we don't need to turn it completely. Okay, so I want to highlight it because people usually mix up design with illustration and forget that designs have a particular function. In the card's case, we need to make sure that the cards can be used in many different situations, by magicians, cards players, and so on, okay? Well guys, see you in the next lesson.